Direct clients or agencies? Which one is the better choice for the Filipino virtual assistants? If you're just starting your VA journey, this is probably the biggest question you have. Stay until the end of this video and we'll break it down for you. Hi, Wonder VAs. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Work at Home by VA Philippines, the virtual assistant hub for aspiring and experienced virtual assistants. If you're new here, hi, I'm Blessy. I'm one of the virtual assistants focusing on social media management and marketing here at VAME Philippines. If you're coming from corporate life and transitioning it into freelancing, choosing between direct clients and agencies is a decision that can shape your path. Let's explore both options, starting it with direct clients. Working with direct clients means you find and pitch yourself to clients on platforms, referrals, or social media. And here are the pros of choosing direct clients. You set your own rates and terms, which gives you higher earning potential. You can also choose who you want to work with so you can align with clients who respect your values. You can scale, take multiple clients, or even grow into your own VAT. And best of all, you build your brand. You're not just a freelancer, you're running your own business. Now, let's talk about the cons of choosing direct clients. It's harder to start if you have no freelancing experience. Clients often want proof before hiring. Now, let's talk about the income. Income can be unpredictable. Some months are great, others might feel slow. You also have to handle everything yourself when it comes to contracts, the payments, even the taxes. It's empowering, but it also have a lot of responsibility. So while direct clients gives you freedom and higher pay, it comes with a higher risk and a steep learning curve. Now that we already know the pros and cons of choosing direct clients, now let's talk about agencies. With an agency, the clients are already there and you get to match based on your skills. Let's talk about the pros of choosing agencies. The pros are big, especially for beginners, because it's easier to start even without prior VA experience. Agencies guide you through the process. They handle the contracts, all the billings, and client communication. So you can just focus on the work itself. The work is more stable. If one client leaves, the agencies often reassigns you to another. Many agencies offers training and upskilling opportunities which help you grow faster. Just like what we have here at VAME Philippines, we are offering free webinars for aspiring virtual assistants and beginners with a free certificate. So this webinar will serve as your stepping stone in your VA journey. So if you want to join, stay up until the end of this video and I'll tell you how. Now, here are the cons and the few things that you have to keep in mind if you will be choosing an agency. The pay might be slightly lower than direct clients, but you trade that stability and less stress in handling admin tasks. You may have less freedom since agencies have set standards, but this also means you're guided and you're supported. And while you're helping build the agency's brand, you're also building your own experience and skills, which you can carry anywhere in your VA journey. So agencies are designed to give you structure, consistency, and a smoother transition into freelancing. So let's answer, which one is really better? And the answer to that is, it really depends on where you are right now in your journey. If you're an aspiring beginner virtual assistant and you want stability while gaining experience, agencies are your best first step. But if you're already confident, experienced, and ready to handle the risks, I can say that direct clients can give you higher rewards. Think of it this way. Agencies are the safest foundation, and direct clients are a long-term growth path. Now, I would like to hear it from you, Wonder VAs. Would you rather start with an agency or go straight for a direct client? Share your answer in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell button so you'll get notified on our next video. Thanks for watching, Wonder VAs. Always remember, you've got this.